These two magical ingredients can change your health forever. Yes, it's just rice and water. In today's video, we will show you an ancient health drink that can revitalize your vitamins and gut bacteria. So stay till the end. Many of us may already know that B12 is an important vitamin necessary for the body. It is common for people to believe that the only source of natural vitamin B12 is through non-vegetarian food or dairy products. However, in Bharat, many people prefer a vegetarian diet. Yet, they have managed to get all their vitamins for ages with a few simple traditional recipes. Today, we will learn how to make an easy fermented drink which is common especially in southern India. It's full of good bacteria for your gut and has lots of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 plays a very important role in various bodily functions, like the formation of red blood cells, nerve function, and DNA synthesis. If you make and consume this simple fermented drink properly, you will not feel low on energy or fatigue during the day, which are the common symptoms of vitamin deficiency. A variation of the same drink is available in Karnataka called Ambali, and in Tamil Nadu it's called Koolil. However, the main thing is both of these drinks is the fermentation process of starch in the rice water. Let's see how to make it. To make the basic recipe, we need some cooked rice that has been cooked before noon. Let the cooked rice stay in an earthen pot or any container throughout the day. This step is important so that the rice generates the necessary bacteria which will then ferment. Once the rice has gone stale for at least 6 to 8 hours, add some water at night so that the rice is completely soaked. Cover the pots and let this mixture of rice and water sit for fermentation overnight. This process generally takes 8 to 10 hours in a tropical climate. In the morning, you can use your hands to crush the rice, then you can take a strainer and separate the rice from the water. To this water, you can add some salt and ginger for taste. Some people prefer adding chopped onions and green chilies as per their preference. If you wish to enhance the benefit of good bacteria, you can also choose to add a little bit of buttermilk. However, I prefer without buttermilk and also like to add some chopped coriander leaves as they enhance digestion. Mix these ingredients and your homemade B12 booster is now ready. You can try it, it's very tasty. It is best to have it on an empty stomach in the morning before breakfast. However, you can drink this any time in the day. But just ensure not to let the rice water sit for too long in the earthen pot because it may cause over-fermentation that may not bring the same benefits. If you go to the local villages in southern Bharat, you will see that the farming community usually consumes a big glass of a similar drink in the morning. There are also other recipes that include fermentation with different types of millets which are even more healthy. After drinking this, the farmers continue to work all day in the hot sun without losing energy or feeling weak. Nowadays, it's becoming common for people to feel tired or drowsy throughout the day. Lack of energy and enthusiasm can also be a result of the deficiency of vitamin B12. So we highly recommend you consume this at least for 10 days this summer and you will definitely notice higher levels of energy and improved digestion in your gut. Have you tried this drink before? Let us know in the comments below. And for more such videos, subscribe Social Vaani.